guys, it's Blazy. I'm just trying to get rid of the things that I'm not using, and then some of them is expired, and I don't own any expensive product. Okay, so 1 second. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so this thing, I put my Alright, let's get started. Alright, so what's in here? Bag or whatever. Oops, wait, sucks. I don't want this video to be long again because I still have stuff to do, and anyway, Poi just texted me that they have a Kinect like a game. Anyway, okay, so it's just regular. I have a Hello Flawless benefit. Anyway, I have a not that dark skin, like, let's say like tan or honey. I don't know how you guys explain my color, but yeah, what I put in here is some liquid. I have a powder here. I put here liquid products. Okay, so this is what I'm not gonna use. Max Factor and Ever Belena from the Philippines. I know you guys know that. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this product. So I have the Magic Smooth Shuffle and L'Oreal Natural, and I have a Laura Mercier primer, and I also have a Victoria Secret bronzer and Urban Decay, and I also have a CoverGirl BB cream. This one is Revlon Photo Ready BB cream. 1 second again. I just don't like the sound. Anyways, and then this is my favorite all-time product that I'm using before. I have a Neutrogena Healthy Skin, and then this is Tan 120. I love this product because it makes my skin really smooth. And this is the other one. It's Neutrogena Skin Clearing Oil-Free Makeup, and I'm using Tan 100. This is my favorite. Some of my pictures, I use these. And I just don't like messy things. And this is the new product that I'm using. It's Stila, whatever. It's the new foundation and concealer. And then you can take it out. And this is the concealer. It has a mirror. This is the foundation. It's really good. And then I have the dark 11 or 1-1. I'm sorry about the camera. And I also have Studio Basics on the makeup brush. And so these 3 products I'm going to throw away because I'm not even using it. Right, let's put that there. And I have these CoverGirl and then the roller True Max, I'm going to get rid of them because I'm not even using it. Okay, so let's get started with these. Anyway, I use these eco tools because they're earth friendly. I love them. They're just really smooth brush, and then my best friend gave this to me on my birthday. This is from the Philippines. I love this so much. And this one, I've been having these for a long time. I just don't use it. It's like an eyeshadow. It's pretty, but it's just not for my color. My best friend gave it to me from Japan, and I don't know what does it say. I just keep it, just memories. And then I also have eye palettes that I don't really put makeup anymore. It's just, I don't know, I just want to be more natural these days. And then I have these Eye Studio from Maybelline. I don't really use them. And then I have the eyeliner, like a powder eyeliner. And these eyeshadows from L'Oreal. Sorry about the lighting. And yeah, just more eyeshadow. And this is from Avon. I just like the dark color, this part. I like it. And this makeup is from St. James. And I just love the brown color, which is this too. And this is come from my mom. My dad gave it to her. I still have it. Okay, so let's move on. Like I said, I don't want this video to be long. Okay, so let's move that there. Guys, it's Blazer. I just had the gift. My friend gave this to me.
If anyone's going out of business, it'd be us.
And it's crazy when you think about it. And yeah. And I know it's really dark in here. And you can't see her. And yeah, I look like a monster. And it's just crazy when you think about it.
I get new customers in, so.
Hi.
It's great to see familiar faces.
Hindi nga marunong mag-chopstick pag ganyan-ganyan. Anyway, alright, I'll do vlogs in a bit. Bye! See you guys later. Anyways then, and I am home alone right now. Okay, so this is the products that I'm not using anymore. I have the total because I'm not using. Okay, so, where I'm coming from, I don't want to be anything other than what you make me. So let's get started with this part. Okay, so I have like a sample of Dolce & Gabbana. And so I'm not gonna show you guys all of my lip stains, but this is from Sephora Smashbox. And then the color is really dark on it, but it's really pretty. This is my Jose Maria, it's a Mambo from Sephora. It's a good color too. This is my favorite. Maybelline lip stain. The other one is Revlon Just Beauty. And this one I have like a sugar treatment from my birthday. From Sephora. And I like this Revlon. It's smoky crayon. It's good. clean. I just want to keep them. I just like these. This is Sally Hansen. This, I love these. This is Milani, and the color is Roman Rose. And this is Milani Lip Flash. It's really bright. Another lip gloss. The lip gloss of these. And this is from Avon. This color is Ultra Rich. I like the color. Okay, that's on that side. Alright, so. Anyway, so continue. Okay, so this side I have my favorite Wet n Wild lipsticks. I forgot what color are these. This is just 93C. This is 907C. And this is 9002C. These are my love, right? So these are all my brother gave it to me on Christmas, and these are his gift to me. I love my brother, and it's just a lot of things. I love it. And he also got me these from Urban Decay. These are like eye pencil. I don't know if I can tell you guys what's in it. It's just wasting time. Right, and that's in that part. Anyway, and these are all my lipsticks. I know. Anyway, and I have another lipstick in this area. And you guys can see. Anyway, so move ahead. And this is one of my favorite makeup. It's from Smashbox. And it's Beavis covered. I know you guys saw these on Ulta. And I love the color. These are all the lip products. This is for the eyes, face, and cheeks. This is for eyeshadow. And these are the brushes. And this is for eye stuff. And I got these. It's all eyelashes. I don't really use makeup anymore, so let's go ahead. Okay, so what's in here? I know you guys saw these. I bought these things. Anyway, so the lipstick that I'm using is, this is my favorite. It's dark red, whatever. It's from Sephora. I love this color. So what do you guys think? Is red color like a darker color or lighter color suits on my face? I don't know, I've been having a problem. I hate wasting lipsticks. Because some lipstick that I buy, they're not cheap. So I work hard to have them. So these are my favorite color. Sephora lipstick. This is, I'm using at work. This is just a nude color. This is the new one. This is the new one. It's so pretty. I just forgot what's the name, but yeah. So it's my favorite eyelashes. I mean, not eyelashes, mascara from Benefit. And my favorite lipstick is from MAC. It's a Pro Longwear lip cream. I love any product that's lip stain, long lasting. And I just love the color. Smells like bubblegum. And I don't know what flavor this is. I forgot. It's AA1 and the color is like green. And so I have these from Sephora, and this is so pretty and perfect. So this is like pink, and I think this is natural pink. And I love the smell of that. You can see from the lighting that it's really good. And my favorite eyeliner is this one, waterproof, and anyway, this is Urban Decay primer. And the other favorite eyeliner is this one, Wet n Wild, and this is my eyebrow brush. I got it from Sephora. It's actually free, I asked them. Alright, so yeah, that's all for my makeup stuff. And like I said, I don't put makeup anymore. I do like regular occasions, but I don't really put. And yeah, like I said, every time I go out, like I just put stuff on my face and lipstick, mascara, eyeliner. That's all. I don't really put makeups anymore. I don't know. I just want to be more natural than having makeup. I know it's just a waste of money buying all these products, and I don't know, guys. So what you guys think of my skin tone? Should I use dark lipsticks or lighter lipsticks? Alright, so comment down below and tell me what you think. Bye! 안녕하세요.